Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from EBT card to CashApp. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up CashApp and then log into your CashApp account, and once you've logged into your account, so go to your profile here on your top right. So first thing, we need to link our EBT card to our CashApp. So do that, go to your profile and then all the way down, go down, and then you will see this option called linked banks. Click on it and then hit on link card, and then all you have to do now, plug in the details of your EBT card and then link it. So once this card has been linked now, so now you can simply add funds from your EBT card to your CashApp through. So go back to your home page here. So here what you're going to do, you're going to simply hit on add cash, and then you're going to add the amount that you want to transfer to your CashApp and then hit on add. Okay, and then for the payment you will be using your linked EBT card. So you're going to get the funds from your linked EBT card, and that's how you can transfer from your EBT card to your CashApp. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.